Shah Rukh Khan's son Abram is one of the cutest star kid of Bollywood. He was recently spotted enjoying the rains in a convertible car. Check out these pictures. He totally seems to be having fun with the wind, blowing his lovely hair. He is dressed in a simple bright white shirt. Abram also looks a little grown up now. Abram is becoming so popular these days that he recently even stole the limelight from his father during Eid. Usually Abram is accompanied by his father, the one and only King Khan of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan. Last time they had gone on a ride, SRK was himself riding the car. One thing is for sure, Abram looks the happiest when he is taken on a ride. So what do you think? Do let us know by dropping in your comments.